Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us today at Subaru of Saskatoon. We are located at 471 Circle Place in Saskatoon. Today we are looking at a 2024 Subaru Legacy GT in blue. Has seating for 5 and sits on 18-inch tires. The powertrain includes a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine that produces 260 horsepower. It's paired with a high-torque LINEATRONIC CVT transmission and Subaru symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive. This Legacy is equipped with power folding mirrors, proximity key access. On the inside panels are the controls for the mirrors, door locks, and memory seating. Comes with a black leather interior and sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel are Bluetooth and audio controls, and on the right are the cruise control features that include adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Also heated steering wheel. In the center of the dash is an 11.6-inch infotainment screen that has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below are the climate controls and access the vented and heated seats. In the center is a wireless phone charger and gear shifter. In the rear, we have venting and heated seats for extra comfort for your passengers, and 60/40 split seats. In the back, there are backup sensors, rear view camera, and plenty of trunk space for your daily needs. Thanks again for watching another review with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Come on down and see what we have to offer.